So I finally tried the TikTok viral Boho Braids. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I did these cute little boho braids. These have gone viral all over TikTok. They've actually been out for a while, but they have resurfaced and I had to give them a try and I'm absolutely loving them. So let me give you a quick 360. So I did start off a little smaller in the back, and then once I got up to the top, I started going a little bigger because this was going to be taking a while and I wasn't really trying to do this all day. So these are the results. So I did leave like 2 pieces out. Her braid, some of the braids, I left only 1 piece out. Like this one. And let me show you what products I used to achieve this look. So the first thing I did was use the Miche Bounce Curl Define Cream. I absolutely love this stuff. And the way these products smell, amazing. So I started with the Bounce Cream. So that's what I use for braiding. Then once I got to the ends, to define the ends and define the left out pieces, I went in with the Sculpt Curl Defining Gel. So let me show you the consistency of the Bounce Cream. Very creamy, moisturizing. Love this stuff. Do have several videos using this cream, so I'll link those in the cards above. And then this is what the Sculpt Defining Gel looks like. Kind of more like a custard, kind of a thick product, but it definitely gave me the definition, as you can see. And then once I was done with the braiding and defining, I went in with the Set Curl Defining Mousse, which I also absolutely love. About halfway done with this bottle, and I did do some styles with this, so I'll link that up above as well. Okay, so let's get right into how we achieve this look. Keep on watching. are the final results. I'm loving these little boho braids. I think they are super cute, nice, simple. Some people might call it a protector style, low manipulation style, but a good way to have your hair up for the week or two, depending on how often you restyle your hair. But yeah, I'm loving it. I'll give you an update as to how long I actually kept these in and some different styles that I'm going to be doing with them. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. As always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.